Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Steam. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using, then you just type Steam in the search bar and access the official website. After that you will see this page. On the top right you will see sign in, you just click on that. Then you will see this page, you just scroll down and you will see the button create an account, you just click on that. Here you are going to type your email address and then you retype it again to confirm it. Then you choose the country of your residence, you check that you are a human and you are 13 years old or older, and then you just press on continue. Then they will send you an email, you just need to verify it. After that you will see this page that your email is already verified. Then when you go back here you are going to choose your Steam account name, your password, and then you confirm your password. Then you just click on done. After that, as you can see, your Steam account is already created and you can use it to buy any games and play. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.